today's video. Today we're at Cadwell Park for track day on the motorbikes. They are pretty loud. Cadwell Park is fondly known as the mini Nuremberg ring, I believe, because of its excellent sort of track handling on bikes. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Bit of history on Cadwell Park. It celebrated its 85th birthday in 2019, so what's that, 88 years old as a track. It's pretty much the go-to place in the UK for motorcycles and superbikes. I think Bennett's the main sort of contender on this one. Yeah, these are absolutely brilliant. Just makes you want to get out and go on one. We're going to go investigate the rest of the course now, which I think we can go as far as we can down there. So now we've got to go back. I believe we're going to head to something called the Mountain, I think it is. I'm not sure if I can go all the way down, but we'll certainly try and squeeze around the track, get some nice action. Quite astounding how many racing absolute legends are here. We've got all of them. James Hunt, Ayrton Senna. Obviously we've got Carl Fogarty, of course, for the on the interstate, and of course Barry Sheen. My God, that takes me back. Bit of history with this track. I think we're switching over. The bikes, what they do is they pay to race this track day. Really good idea, and it is quite popular as well. And basically I think they come out in about 20-minute waves, so they get 20 minutes on the track, and then obviously razz it around, try not to crash, put a good time in, back in, and then probably out again, I would imagine, but yeah, fantastic. Today I'm also testing out a Polar Pro iPhone Pro Max filter system, which is what we're using right now. I'm still trying to learn the UV and the filtering system on there. I've got a couple of new filters coming from Polar Pro. They'll be arriving from the States, I think, in a couple of weeks' time. Got stung completely on the price because the pound is absolutely worthless at the moment towards the dollar. Even this case handle and the filtering system I bought, which was, I think it's classified as the filmmaker's kit, £190. On an iPhone case. Surely it can't be long before any more bikes come down this way. They're probably revving up in the paddock right now, ready to get go. I think they come out in about 2 or 3 waves. Stagger them across the track. Yeah, really good fun. Oh, wish I had a motorbike now. That was absolutely awesome. I did enjoy watching them bikes go around. Right, I better push back to the car, so thank you very much for viewing today. If you do like what you see, please do click like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell as well, and you'll get a notification of when new videos are posted. Now we just got to try and escape, because I think I parked in a staff car park. Anyway, catch you next time. Bye bye.